so my name is Shelby Ford. I am the wholesale director for the Lauren Ashtyn collection. Who am I? So I'm married. I have 2 dogs. I've been married for 10 years to my best friend. I come from a really small town in Washington State called Omak, Okanagan area, if you know it. That's surprising. It's really small. I'm very family oriented. I love just talking with my family and spending time with them. Obviously they all live in Washington State, so I'm kind of far, but we still make time to see each other. So family is incredibly important to me. I'm also like an adventure seeker, if that's the right terminology. I love to travel. I love to go out of the country. I love to see different cultures and different people and eat the different food. I'm also really into hiking, and we like to snowboard and camp, all of that amazing outdoor stuff. So yeah, that's who I am outside of doing hair. I went to cosmetology school in Round Rock, Texas. I absolutely loved it from the second I got there. Cosmetology school can be challenging because of the drama, but I learned a lot. I had amazing mentors. My very best friend I met at cosmetology school. We are still really good friends to this day. And yeah, it taught me a lot. So if you're ever in Round Rock, Texas, and you see this face on Central Texas Beauty College car, it's me. Yeah, it was a great experience. It took me about a year to complete my entire schooling. Each state has a different number of hours, and in Texas it's 1,500 hours. So I am licensed in Texas, Nevada, Washington, and South Carolina. Hopefully within the next few weeks. It's taken me a little bit longer, but yeah, so I'm licensed in 4 states, and you know, never know where the future takes you, so maybe more states to come. So I was employed as a traveling stylist for the Lauren Ashtyn collection through Instagram, believe it or not. I saw an ad on Instagram, and I had been following the company for a while, and when I saw the ad, I was like, oh my goodness, this is me. I love to travel, I love to do hair. Why not? Like I needed a piece for myself anyway, so I was like, this is a great opportunity to really see how this piece impacts people's lives. So I responded to the ad on Instagram. I talked with Patty, our brand director, and within a matter, I think of a couple weeks, I flew to Memphis. And I was just like, boy, I hope these people are nice. I've never met them in person. But it was amazing. It was like the best time. From the second I got in the car, everybody was so awesome and so friendly. And it was almost like weird for a second, because you see how beautiful Lauren is on Instagram and how she is on Instagram, and to see her in person, I was kind of like, oh my goodness, this is happening. She's just as sweet and kind in person, and just as beautiful, if not more, because once you get to know her heart, it's like, if she can be more beautiful, she definitely is in person. So that's kind of how I got to be a traveling stylist with the company, and I really loved the company so much that I was like, okay, how do I do this full time? Like, where do I go from here? I was planning on doing some things with them in Las Vegas, and timing wise, this opportunity came up for the wholesale position. And so I contacted Patty, and I was like, hey, I'd love to talk about what we want to do in Vegas, but can I also be put in for this wholesale position? And here I am. It happened very quickly. My husband was very excited. He actually encouraged me to pursue this opportunity. So within a matter, I think, of 4 weeks, I dissolved my salon business in Las Vegas and moved to South Carolina, and here I am. So I'm loving every minute of it. It is definitely a transition stage for me. I'm used to being behind the chair all day and talking with people, and so it's a transition to be traveling a little bit more, but also doing a little bit more of the office work. But I am like loving every minute, embracing every minute, and I've learned so much just in the 4 weeks that I've been here. It's crazy. It's amazing. People in the wholesale department should trust me, because I always want to make sure that they're taken care of. If you call to place an order, if you call for a question regarding a guest, whether it be color, cut, which color you think would be better for them, my experience as a stylist is there and will really help you. I also, maybe this is a faux pas of mine, but I don't mind giving out my personal number so that I can be in contact with my wholesalers all the time. I do travel as a traveling stylist as well for the company, and I travel to wholesalers for education. So having my cell phone on me has made it really a good way to get in contact with me, and so that I'm available for you as well. You can get in contact with me through email as well from the professionals page, which is professionals@laurenashtyn.com, or you can get in touch with me at shelby.ford@laurenashtyn.com. Those are probably the easiest ways to get a hold of me, is through my cell phone or my email, and I promise you I will get back to you. So please be patient. Sometimes I am traveling, but I would love to get in contact with you.